Hello and welcome everyone to the last lesson of this class, where we'll be creating this contact us slide with this world map and some pulsing office animations. Alright, so let's insert a fresh blank new slide. Let's choose this layout called Title Center Top. Alright, let's type in the title and subtitle. Alright, now let me show you where we can find this beautiful SVG map. Just go to simplemaps.com and here you can download this free world SVG map. So let's insert it into the slide. Alright, okay, let's make sure we convert this map to shape so that we can change its fill color. Let's set it to white. For the outline, let's use simple plain black. You can resize this map to any size that you want. Let's leave it like this. Okay, so now let's create some cards for our company office locations. Let's choose a rounded rectangle. We can use the same style. Let's just grab it from the footer and let's paste it to our rounded rectangle. Let's type in New York. Alright, we can resize this card a little bit to make it slimmer. And let's add outline as well, just to help this card stand out a little bit better. That's awesome. Okay, now let me zoom in. And let's insert a black circle. This will be the exact location of our office. And now we can group this, black circle together with the card. Let's zoom out. Now let's just move this card wherever is our office. New York, for example. Right, now let me straight away add a grow shrink animation to this card. Let's make sure it starts with previous. In the effect options, let's choose 110%. Let's check auto reverse, and in the timing options, let's repeat it until the end of slide. Okay, so now we can hold down the control key and make a few more copies, and as you can see, these copies already have the animation. So that's why it was useful to add the animation in the first place. Alright, so as you can see, the cards are growing and shrinking. And as always, we can add some delays to make it a little bit more interesting. Alright, so now let's create this card with all of the contacts. And let's close out the animation pane, so let's just copy this card. Okay, so let's resize this card so that we can fit in all of our social media, email, website, and other contacts. Let me just copy the text boxes. Now let me show you where we can find icons. So one of the websites you can use is icons8.com/line-icons. You can download this whole library of icons to your computer. And let me just open up those icons. So first, let's look for Facebook. Here it is. So let's just select it, drag it, and drop it into the slide. And this icon landed somewhere in the middle of the map. So let's just grab this icon and let's drag it right here to our contact box. Awesome. Alright, so next let's search for Instagram icon. Here it is. Now let's look for phone, email, and website. Okay, let's make sure that all of these icons are aligned. Now we can check out the results. So congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know how you can create your own awesome Contact Us slide. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, you know how to create awesome PowerPoint templates.